It's just the way you're looking at the screen. But the video comes out really nice for HD. There's probably one more right behind him. I know I got like the spring it was right around March, April. I got like 8 trains, 6 of them during the night, then the last couple first thing in the morning before going into work. Yeah, I've heard the slack, but coming down off the damn hill into Chester didn't sound that friggin' bad.
He's not experienced engineer, huh?
Yeah. No, Bernie O'Brien, the famous DNH engineer, passed on today. Yesterday. I knew the guy personally. He even had an agent in memory of him before he retired. He dedicated one of the former DNH GP39s there that was rebuilt, repainted by CP into the DNH team. Well, dragon brake shoes on that one.
I remember the DNH coming through here in the 80s when I was a little boy.
Yep. Before it went to hell in a handbag.